As part of our In the Name of the Law series, we interviewed Honolulu attorney Michael Green. The police union hired Green in the mid-90s with the hope he could help keep police misconduct records secret.
Sometimes policemen arrest the same person like every few weeks for the same type of crime. And by the time the cop gets done doing his paperwork, he walks outside and there's the guy flipping him off in the corner. I mean, the arrestee got out of jail before the officer finished his paperwork. And it leads sometimes to street justice.
Good evening and thank you for joining us. The Honolulu Police Commission has released the names of officers disciplined for the month of November.
This 1995 video, with its fictionalized news broadcast, was part of SHOPO, the State of Hawaii Organization of Police Officers, lobbying efforts to have the Hawaii legislature pass a law making the names of disciplined officers secret.
Well, it's a double punishment. I mean, we had officers that, when I represented SHOPO, that would have a problem, and oftentimes their picture, their names were placed in a newspaper. And then they were trying to get their personnel files, which were at that time more or less available. And then they would publish the personnel file in the paper. So, you know, they've got kids, they got a wife, and the kids were getting all kinds of stuff at school from their kids they went to school with. Their wife didn't want to walk in the Safeway because everybody was like pointing. So it was a double punishment. So we worked on getting legislation to the effect that the personnel files became private.
As I had always predicted, we might wind up with a Pyrrhic victory because the cops made it clear that they had the power and the resources and the money and the professionals to walk across the street to the legislature and get their pals over there to change the law. Remember, I said it's a statutorily given privilege that was interpreted by the Supreme Court. So what they went and did is they lobbied the legislature and they changed the law to make this stuff private, except for annual reporting of data, which gives you virtually nothing.